Then point your toes now forward towards the mirror and then armpit down. Breathing. 1. Hold the hammock firmly. 2, 3, 4. This cat and cow version. Round your spine, chin and chest up. Inhale. Exhale, chest down, gaze forward towards the mirror. Inhale, round the spine, belly in. Exhale, babang belly, tingin lang sa mirror. Breathe. Inhale, round the spine. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Babang belly, tingin forward towards the mirror. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, neutral of your spine, feet together now. Forward fold still, you're still, lengthen your elbow. And then shift your weight to your right leg only. Left leg step back, just okay, inhale, and then float your left leg like a warrior version 3. Find the balance, breathing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With control, feet together now. And then shift your body weight to the standing leg, other leg. And then warrior 3 variation with your hammock. Breathing. 1. Find the balance towards the standing leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back to the center. Straight your legs. Straight. Lang. Okay, release. Okay, in aerial here, we are going the traction to decompress your spine. Okay, please. Now we're using your hammock. Okay, go to your kneeling position. Okay, please. This is your edge of your hammock. This one. We will go now at the sacrum area, yung lower back. Okay, and then inhale, exhale. Send your hips muna or thoracic up first, and then hang muna. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, come back to the center. Chin and chest back, proper pose. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, come back to the center and then step. Please, tingnan ako ha. I lean back, naka-tap yan. I step forward. I send my knees back, shoulders up. Relax here. Okay, and then if this is too much for you, you can adjust and then side to side. Forward. Shoulders into the mat. Please find a sweet spot. Sweet spot sa shoulders.
Mababa yung
Shoulders ninyo ha.
Parang nakalala. Huwag ka ng pagod para mababa mo siya. Ayan. Kaya.
Dito ikaw ang shell. Dito ikaw para nakit. Tingnan yung shoulders niya. Please adjust.
Pwede mo siya ibaba dito.
Okay ka lang, Duram?
Yan, para mababa mo yung shoulder.
Sit. Go.
Tapos pwede mo na siya ibaba. Sa labas. Sa labas. Labas na dito. Sa gilid. Kakagilid. Tapos saka mo siya i-hook.
Sa normal setup ito ha, your head away from the mat. So for now,
tapos baba mo ng konti. Lift out. Ayan, diba? Bongga.
okay, so okay, relax your heels, relax the knees, so walang tension, and then the hips relax. Hands to the side, and then swing your body side to side. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, your right leg, release. This is your right. Okay, and then bring it down. Patipto po ako, you have to find a spot dito sa hips ninyo para hindi siya masakit. Right, ito is less, you can do here.
Mas mataas, coach.
Dito siya masakit. Lower. Adjust lang ng konti. 1, 2, and then touch and bind with his right hand, right leg connect. Okay, now both legs down towards the mat. Tiptoe pa din, nakatiptoe, and then like a camel version ng hammock pero ground connection. Tiptoe, breathe, 1, and then open the shoulder, 2, 3, inhale, 4, and exhale. Okay, slowly come back to the center. You can do wider with your straddle kung sino yung gusto ha. Kung hindi pa masakit, you can bend the knee, touch and bind with your legs. Options lang yun ha. You can bend the knee only. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back to the center. Hold the hammock. Feet down at the top of the mat, and then release muna. Release. Your hips towards the mat. Chin and chest muna. Connect. Close your eyes. Breathe. 1. Sit bones towards the mat, Mr. Rachel. Sit bones. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, wider legs as long as you can. Hands towards your hammock, please. Wider. First, please. Palms in, palms here, palms together, palms and towards you, and then parang ako. Okay. And then slide down, slide down. Feet together, palms together, palms together. No, slide down your hands, slide down your hands. Yes, yun ang sinasabi. Yan. Okay, wider legs as long as you can. Point your toes towards you. Inhale, straight the elbows, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold, bow down. Point your toes towards you. Under thigh stretch. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look forward muna. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, bow down. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, slowly come back to the center. And then, pahap po ako ng knee. You can forehead towards the knee. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay, please. Your hammock is in your belly. Nasa belly. So this is called the bunch. Bunch ang tawag dito, yung bunch. So that you have the space towards the part of your body and then elbow in. Elbow in. Okay, so sa normal setup ito, nakastanding po tayo na nakaganito. Okay, and then forward fold. Find a spot po sa belly na hindi masakit and then like a tabletop position. Tabletop, nakalak. Okay, and then you lean forward. So the table, yeah, table, palms open, please. Lean forward, release the toes lang. And then bring your hips up. You lean forward. Okay, inhale, you bend the elbow. So bend forward the elbow towards the mat. Okay, forward, Rachel. Bend lang the elbow. Okay, and then palms now straight. Okay, you tap the toes, please. Ready yourself, gaze towards the right side of your body. You need to look your right hand. Okay, and then knees hover 2 inches away from the floor so that your activation of core will be start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing. 5. Knees down, please, towards the mat. Release. Okay, look po. Tingnan lang ako ha. I walk towards forward. Mamaya tayo, mag-walk forward kayo ha. And then you straight your legs. Okay, gaze towards the right side. You bend ito and catch. And then you push the floor. Options lang. You use the other legs. Yeah. Okay, and then inhale, exhale. Or knee down, elbow towards the mat. So option lang, ito mas, yung activation nito is more on sa shoulders kasi. Isa-isa lang ha. Okay. Start with high plank, tabletop, and then lean forward. Gaze towards the right shoulder. Okay, and then hook your right leg outside. Like hook. You have to plank from labas. Palabas. Palabas po, yes. Good, palabas po, Mr. Rhodes. Palabas. Good. Gusto minsan no, di palabas. Yung isa mo palabas. And then, when you're ready, kabila. Okay. And then, you push the floor, hips up. L position. Mag-release yung. Mag-release po yan. Yan. Ano man lang. Hips up, hips up. Look to your toes. Hips up, Mr. Rhodes. Yan, very good. 1, 2, 3. Hips up, honestly. Activation of the legs. 4, and 5. Okay, dahan-dahan ha. With control. Dahan-dahan. Okay, labas po.
Galing labas.
Kasi sa loob kumito ha. Wala kang lato. Okay, shake your hands. Tapos, you push the floor, hips up. Perfect. Perfect. Videos. Dapat ang isang yung video. Dahan-dahan ha. One leg at a time, please. Okay, everyone stand. We're now inside your. Okay, sit na po ito. Please, right feet in between. Dito may arch tayo. Doon natin ilagay ang feet in between. Okay, so if this is a normal setup, mahirap ito kasi nasa dito kasi. Okay, so this is low setting, mabilis lang po. Okay, shoulder one line, then be sure your body is standing one line. Okay, please control, smooth ha. Right feet, not forward, right feet towards the mat, and then we use our core, release. Okay. And then we face the other legs naman, left leg naman, and then we step, and then release. Use your core ha para smooth. Pa-bunch ako ha. Ito bunch. Hindi siya open, hindi open. Okay, now we use with your bucks. Step mo ng left. Highest part hold. And then step on either left feet inside. And then right leg out. Okay, now please, left leg to the left side muna tayo. Left leg to the left side. Carry your own weight. So low setting lang ito. Very safe. Kasi you can step sa mat. Ano yung safe? Okay. Wala. Malagay po ako sa pigi. Pigi. Okay. Ito. Sa gitna lang. You use your body up and then and then left hand only hold, right leg bend, and then open. Shoulder down, and then gaze towards your. Wait, basic lang ito. Picture lang ako ha. Okay, 1, 2, attitude. Gaze towards your feet. Okay. Beginners lang ito. Remember, yung setup is very low. Ang normal kasi nasa right side. Okay, so left it up. Yan. Ay, shoulder wala. Okay, and then right feet forward. Ito you use your core para angat. Ayan. And then, kick this one to the left side. Yan, ito. Pag mamaslide ha, kailangan ito ka dyan. Okay, yan, sexy. Yan. You bend this one, touch hand. Left hand is holding. Gaze down. And then, do it the other side. Other side naman, mga basic lang process ito sa hamok ha. So, left, kabila naman. And then, you hang your head, gaze towards the toes. Very sexy. Ay, sorry. Yung left naman natin, ilabas. Yung sarili ko. Hold lang slide. Tapos tingnan sa likod. Bend, and then ganyan. Fork. Hang there. Attitude. Yes. 1, 2, attitude. Okay na tayo. Okay, so we do now the box. Okay, box is this one. Same pa din, ang enter, right leg, out, and then you slide down. Konting slide down lang, and then hook under. Sorry, huwag kayong mag-slide to the other side ng standing lang. Nakahook lang siya under. Hook. Remember, out. Face ka lang, same. Okay, and then hook sa taas. Nagawa na natin to. Nagawa na natin to dati. Nagbabox tayo sa beginners. Okay. Kung ano yung hinok ninyo, siya na po ang mag-i-standing. Please. Labas ulit. Okay, now hook ulit ako dito. Okay, remember my warmness po ito. You need to use your core to lift your body up. Sige. Use your core again. Up. And then active po ito. And I point my toes towards the side. Okay. Okay na. Okay, now release natin ito. And then feet together. Okay, now please L sit tayo. Slide down and then L. L siya lang. Hips down. And then look towards your feet. 1, 2, 3. And 4. Use your core to stand again. Hands here para hindi masyadong masakit ang toes. Hands here. Now, elbow forward like this. Elbow forward. Tingin natin. Inhale. Exhale. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come back to the center. Use your core. Use your core. And then release po ang right leg. Yung left leg nakahook yan. Left leg nakahook siya. Yan, nakahook ang left. Same pa din ang sequence. Hands towards back. We use your dancer. So left leg nakahook na. Okay, you kick. So dancer please. Chest po konting forward. So you walk your palms towards the toes. Huwag mag-collapse masyado ang shoulder lang. Huwag shoulder din. Chest lang po konti. And then standing leg strong. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, release. Release po. And then forward fold to counter pose to release the lower back pain. Head down. Okay, shake your hands.
Yeah, that's what I felt.
And then now, happy na. Okay, please pa untanggal is po. So in hammock, we do shades. Kasi ang hammock is femininity. Pang babae talaga ang okay. So edge hold, and then pa untanggal sa two. We do 1 shakes. Ang gagawin natin ay split. So remember, low setting ito. You feel safer compared sa normal setup. Okay, please bunch. Di ba sabi ko bunch? Bunch po tayo ng 3/4. So this is 1 whole of a pie. And then you really use mats. May mat para sa area namin. Kayo yung dyan. Okay, 3/4 ang bunch. 3/4 ang bunch. And then, you step those bunch. Pa-step muna po. Step those. Both feet. Take ang isang feet lang muna sa bunch. Sige. And then, taas na po. Okay. Wee! And then, push forward. Yan. Wee! Now, both feet na po inside. Inside. Be sure lang na may space to wrap around towards your groins. Yan. Hanggang dito. So, both feet inside. And step back. Okay, find the balance. Tingin ako pa. Okay, wait lang. Sige. Ang fabric daw sa front, it should be in the ground. Yan. Okay, so here is edge to edge. Yung edge nyo daw sa likod is hold. So remember, our goal here is to make shapes. Feet together. Make sure. Closer. So, examine mo na ang stability mo inside. Yan. And then, hawak tayo right edge here. And then left. Ganito po kay Miss Bliss. Ay, masama na. Taro mo na. Shoulder roll. Okay, now, bring your hands inside. Outside na. Inside. Kasama yun. Opo. And then you create what?
Butter.
Wow. Mas mahirapan ka? Beginners to. Di ba, Miss Bless? Si Bless ay regulars to she can do a lot of flow sa area. Ay, hindi pa pala yung bago lang dinahirapan siya. We have Thai lap yung na hihilin. Masakit po talaga yun sa una lang. Okay, and then let go. Let go nyo na po ang right. Oh, and then fine, po kayo na. Let go yung right and then hold firmly na po. Salak sa likod. Dahil yung si Bless. Yung left hand niyo is socks po yan. You need to put your left feet on that part. Hindi naman muna ito pero high setting na siguro. Huwag muna magana. Ganito lang muna sa kanila. And then left hand to the side, attitude. Left hand here, yes correct. Hindi kayo sa left hand and then attitude. Tingnan yun na to, bakit ang ganda sa video. Tapos, hirap na yun. Okay, you remember the backs. Di ba i-pass you wider? Okay. Ano yung si Bless? Okay, ginawa niya yung right. Okay, and then she's now on her split. So, ano yung capacity mo today sa split? Hindi mo pa sa side. Hindi mo pa pataas. Ay, kaya yung pass natin. Yes. Ulang, sa sayo dito yan. Kasi hindi sa left or right. Sa labas. Good. Okay, now you activate your legs. So that comes to the right. Wait, asan na? Or hands. Hands sa, ayan. O, diba? Nakakarapin siya. Okay na yan. Oo. Attitude ulit. Sana nga. Kaya niya. Miss Lily, I will come for you. Next one. Okay. Now, stand all feet together. Sino ang hindi nahihilo dito? Hindi nahihilo dito. Feet together. Like a mommy, you wrap around yourself, and then you ask my yourself. Tayo po, hindi ka lang mahinuhin ha. Mamaya, isa sa
Taguan.
Okay, options lang po. Paano? Bakit ako? Options lang ito. If you want, so same pa rin ginawa ni Elena, dali po. May nasa siya picture. Yung siya friendly sa lower back ha. Saan siya hawak? Sa side po. Sa against legs. Okay, you can, yan, and then yes, good job. Case up, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay.
Ayaw ko gusto talaga ng picture. Nag-aantay siya. Sobrang gawa. Tsaka pag lang, kita ko yung gusto.
Okay, sige.
Nagiging back to power.
Pag forward fold po, ako release your lower back. At diba, sa highest foot, sa normal setting ito, na yung nangyari po ito, check your hands. Okay, so one more for you guys is your balancing pose. Same pa din. Okay, di ba ganito? You face here, hawak here. Sabay mo. Right po ang labas. Right ang labas. Pigit ulit. And then, right hand, hawak here. Face towards the logo. So your shoulder, inside. Yan. Okay, right leg, one line with your hips. Dito sa tayo. And then kick. Hands here. And then, papigit ko ako, hindi naman yung stress. Slide down siya. Now, both feet. If you're sure na naka-one line na yung feet ninyo at saka hips, sa ibabaw na po ito. And then find yung comfortable seated. Yan, good. And then, natatap na po ang isang feet. Sa top. Yes. And then, kung uncomfortable dito sa puwet, konting kimas-kimas. And then, palms to prayer. Magalas yung sales energy mo today ay sobrang likot. Sige po, hips down. Here, okay, straight lang po ito. Baba ang hips. Yes. And then, kung masakit mo na sige, swallow sa bibig, palms to prayer. May wag. So, yung technique na sige, balancing. You have to focus sa area na hindi gumagalaw. Or, focus sa gumagalaw. Para may gano'n. Follow mo yung balance. And then, soften the shoulder, relax. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then, one feet, release the hand. And then another feet, release the hand. Have your bows already?